Hello and welcome to this next tutorial in making a quick and easy text-based adventure game. So today we're going to look at introducing some randomness to our game because let's face it, a game's pretty boring if it's exactly the same every time you play it. So to do that, we're first going to import a library of code that we're going to use to generate some random numbers. So we need to import the random library like so. Now, when we want to make a random number, what we can do, so we're going to do it here in the waterfall subroutine. I'm going to go chance. I'm just making up a variable name. This could be anything, as long as it's all one word. And I can set it equal to, then it's the name of the library, which is random, full stop, and then randint, so it's going to make a random integer. And then you give it the range. So I could do 1, 2. Now this means it's going to either generate a random number of 1 or 2, which means it's a 50-50 chance. So once I've done that, I am going to basically write a little if statement to say that if it's 1, one thing happens. If it's 2, something else happens. So I'm going to go if chance double equals 1. I'm going to say that they're unlucky and I'm going to send them to, I don't know, the slip room. And otherwise, if it's anything else than that, I'm going to send them on their way and give them the directions. So to do that, I'm just going to put an else in here. So if it's not equal to 1, so it's a 2, I'm just going to indent this inside for that indent region. Right, so basically, if we get a 1, we're going to go to a room where they're going to slip over and get hurt. Otherwise, we're just going to do our normal choices of going left or right. So I can come down here and define my room, which I've just jumped them to if they've got the random chance of a 1, and print out the you fall over. There we go. And then what I can do is redirect them to the start room. So basically saying they've fallen over, they got hurt, they've got to start again. So this is quite nice now because it means depending on, 50-50 chance, they could either carry on with the adventure, or they have to start all over again. And I call the start room, so just do that. There we go. So that's how to introduce some randomness to your game. Now you can do it in lots of different ways. So, you could have it like this, 50-50 chance of getting over a bridge. You could introduce, a boss that you have to defeat, and then you get a 50-50 chance of defeating them each time. You could have it like in many games where if you decide to try and sneak past an opponent, again, it could be only a 25% chance that you manage to, creep past them. So to give 25% chance, you could have, 1 to 4 in this instead. Lots of things you can do. Well, there you go. That was a quick and easy tutorial on how to introduce randomness into your game. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.